Potential applications for the ICS-AM series of launches are hydraulic systems, where up to 75% of failures are caused by inline contamination; refrigeration and air conditioning condensers, which until now have been cleaned with ozone-depleting Freon; beer lines to remove yeast buildup that chemical flushing can't shift; food production, where lines are blocked by chocolate, syrup or other emulsions. The solution to properly cleaning these long, narrow, twisted spaces is a small, expandable, non-toxic foam pellet. The pellet is up to 15% larger than the conduit to be cleaned. Propelled by compressed air, it travels through the conduit at high speed, cleaning and wiping the internal surface and forcing contamination out of the open end. The pellets can travel through 90-degree angles, T-joints, U-turns, coils, ball and other straight-through valves, and the most twisted configurations of tube imaginable. There are three main types of pellet: standard, for conduit with and without fittings; abrasive, to remove contamination, light surface rust or scale; and grinding, where there is heavier contamination. The ICS AM1 cleans internal surfaces of hose, tube and pipe from 1.5mm refrigeration systems to 75mm food and beverage pipes. It provides unparalleled diagnostic information about the internal condition of the conduit, reducing the cost of preventative and corrective maintenance. The system is suitable for heavy industry, including petrochemical, oil and gas, shipping, water lines and telecommunications. ICS's special interlocking mechanism allows the addition of a family of interlocking pneumatic tools to complement the needs of the various applications, from air dusters and sandblasters to drills and a range of other devices, including pressure testers. The ICS 24-hour pressure tester connects to the AM1 handpiece via the standard interlocking mechanism. It has been designed to suit most pressure testing applications in pipe and tubing from 5mm to 300mm and upwards. It has a built-in pressure gauge and release valve and an easily attachable universal thread connection to suit a range of pipe size applications. The pressure tester can be brought to pressure and the handpiece removed, leaving the tester in place for the required duration. ICS's AM Launcher series comprises several models designed for progressively larger diameter and longer piping systems where greater volume of air is needed. The AM2 is designed for piping between 19mm to 100mm diameter. Lightweight but robust with an attractive matte finish, it uses a simple air-assisted valve system to provide a 13mm air inlet throughput. The greater airflow provides up to 2.5 times more volume of air than the AM1. The interlocking mechanism, both at the front and rear of the handpiece, allows for a variety of attachments, such as 32mm to 100mm pellet launcher heads and 50mm to 100mm flange heads, as well as other attachments. The AM2 has an additional porthole at the top of the handpiece for a pressure gauge and a standard 2-finger trigger mechanism that ensures ease of use and maximum operator comfort over extended periods of operation. The AM3 has been designed for use in larger diameter pipes and piping systems of longer lengths, where even greater volume of high-pressure air is required. The larger handpiece has an 18mm air inlet throughput capability. The pilot-operated valve system ensures ease of use for the operator, despite the larger volume of air throughput. It is operated with the standard 2-finger trigger mechanism. The AM3 uses the same type of interlocking mechanism as the AM2 handpiece, allowing the pellet launcher attachments and specialty tools to be used on both devices. The revolutionary flange head kit system has been designed and produced specifically for cleaning pipes from 50mm to 250mm in the oil and gas, mining and marine industries. This lightweight, robust system is manufactured to an ISO 9001 quality system. It consists of a flange adapter with 4 lugs, which is bolted onto the pipe flange, coupled with the flange head, which locks onto the flange adapter. It is designed for use with the AM2 and AM3 handpiece in piping systems from 50mm to 100mm. For all pipes from 50mm up to 250mm, the flange head can connect through the same interlocking system to the new A3 air control panel. Safety is a prime feature of the design. Each flange head from 50mm to 250mm is fitted with a safety locking device to prevent the system dislodging during firing. In addition, the flange head is fitted with a pressure gauge and a pressure relief valve with a diffusing system to ensure maximum operator safety at all times. Used with either the AM2, AM3 or the air control panel, the flange head kit is safe, clean, quick and easy to operate. It is environmentally friendly and very cost effective, especially when compared to conventional flushing methods. As important as cleaning inner space is drawing cable and wire through it. The ICS line feeder system harnesses the same simple technology of the launcher to draw a high tensile line through any length of pipe. Using the same lightweight, non-toxic foam pellet, the line feeder system draws the line through T-joins, U-turns and 90-degree angles. It is suitable for conduit ranging from 13mm to 60mm. The pellet cleans the conduit of dirt, water and contamination as it feeds the line. The ICS Bazooka system was developed for the telecommunications and cable TV industries. It is also ideal for maintenance applications in other large-scale operations, from food and beverage to the mining industry and urban domestic gas lines. With its unique inflatable collar to ensure an airtight fit, the Bazooka is suitable for pipe ranging from 35mm to 100mm. The ICS Bazooka can propel a pellet through pipe up to 3.5 kilometres in length, traversing 90-degree angles and U-turns with ease. The Bazooka system has proven its versatility in the demanding environments of telecommunications and electrical industries, where cable laying is a difficult and time-consuming part of the job. The Bazooka product range includes the Bazooka pellet launcher for cleaning or diagnostic purposes, the Bazooka line feeder launcher for propelling draw line through complex or simple unoccupied conduit and pipe layouts, and the Bazooka shuttle launcher. This exciting innovation allows cable to be added to occupied conduits in a fraction of the time currently taken and without risk of expensive damage to the existing network. ICS's range of innovative products is environmentally friendly and safe to use. There are no chemicals or solvents to be handled, no waste products to be managed. Workers are not exposed to physical hazards, although standard industry protective clothing such as hard hat and safety glasses are recommended. The AM Launcher line feeder and Bazooka systems are at work in industries around the world, delivering significant cost and time savings to thousands of satisfied customers.
The purchase of the ICS launcher system was half the cost quoted for conventional flushing. It took 1.5 days versus 3 to 4 days quoted for flushing. The investment in the system was paid in its first application.
ICS can also provide customised solutions. Through a major investment in high-end computer graphic workstations, ICS can complete rapid prototyping of technical developments tailored to suit a client's unique needs.
I think what we've got to do, Les, is take off the spigot at the back, put a straight through bore through it, connect it to a bore valve and the main...
ICS's vision is to be a world leader in the field of pneumatic technology, providing innovative solutions to help make industry more effective by reducing downtime.
No worries, mate.
Extensive market research indicates there are currently limited competitive technologies in the market. The time is right for ICS's global expansion. Components for the system are manufactured under licence by major engineering firms and suppliers in Australia and Malaysia. All over the world, industry depends upon reliable, contamination-free hose, tube and pipe. Hydraulics, telecommunications, electrical, oil and gas, mining, aircraft engine maintenance, food and beverage and many other industries spend millions of work hours cleaning hose, tube and pipe and laying cables and wires. The ICS AM launchers, line feeder, bazooka and flange kit provide simple, cost-effective, time-saving solutions which will revolutionise the way industry approaches these problems. International Cleaning Systems, making global industry more effective by delivering tomorrow's technology today.
A demonstration trial conducted by Envo in Mongolia in July 2008 produced excellent results. The trial was on 12 kilometres of gas lines of 75mm and 110mm. The 9 kilometre line was completely blocked and had been out of service for 2 months. The primary solution for this was the pipe's replacement. This would have cost the company in excess of US $900,000 and the line would have been out of service for months. Envo, with its pneumatic cleaning process, cleared the line and had it back in service in less than 1 hour. The cost was less than US $80,000, a big saving on capital cost and production downtime.